Hello, I'm Molly Pettit and welcome to round 2 of the FIA.
So, Rally Sweden then. It's a very...
It's almost time now for the crew of this car to get underway on their first stage of the rally. Let's see what they...
Starts 40, 5 right, good luck. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 40, 5 right, opens, and slight left, 100, right of a small jump, 40, crest, 60, 6 right of a jump, opens, into crest, 100, 6 left, tightens 3, 80, crest, 30, 6 right, tightens 4, 30, slight right, 40, 4 left of the crest, 50, left of the crest, 180, 4 right short, and 3 left of the crest, half long, tightens, 70, 8, 4 right, 90, 3 left short, 40, 6 left of the crest, 30, 5 right of the crest, 60, slight left and 6 right short, 60, crest and crest, 30, 3 left short of a crest, 40, 5 right, slowing 100, turn square right, and bump, 30, 6 left, opens of a crest, into dip, into 4 left of a jump, opens, and 5 left to 5 right of a jump, don't cut, 40, 6 left, 50, crest, 30, 4 left of the crest, and 5 right, and 5 left of the crest, keep in, into 6 right, to slight left, into 5 right, short of the crest, 40, bump, and 4 right, short of the crest, and 4 left, opens and tightens, through dip, into 5 right, half long, over bumps, 40, 6 left, brake, 60, 2 right sharp at junction and crest, into 5 left, 80, 6 right, don't cut, and 2 left, 110, 4 right short, 50, 5 left, into crest, 70, 3 right, and left of a crest, and slight right, and left of a crest, 180, 6 right of a crest, 130, slight right of a jump, 40, 5 left over bump, and right of a small jump, 50, crest, 70, 4 right short, into 6 left, brake, 30, 3 right, and 4 left, opens, 50, 5 right, and 6 left, tightens 3 of a crest, and 2 right, to 1 left, keep in, 60, 6 right, opens, 40, crest, 40, 5 right short, and 5 left, 40, 4 right, 40, 1 left short, 30, 4 left, and 2 right, half long, 40, 5 left short, 180, 6 left of the crest, long, tightens, 40, 6 right, tightens 5 of a crest, 120, caution, left of a big jump, 90, slight right, into crest, 40, 4 right, half long, 70, slight left, tightens 3, short, 30, slight right, opens, 40, into crest, 80, 4 left, tightens 2, around Bales, into right of a crest, 40, bump, and 6 right to the crest, extra long, keep in 60. 4 left, keep in 40. 5 right, very long. Opens, and slight right, 30. 4 left, tightens, and bridge, 30. Turn, square right. 40, 5 left, over finish, into 5 right, to stop. Okay, that's a 4 minute 45.3.
What a great position for the opening stage of this event. Seems like this pairing are dialed in.
There's some big dents in the car, aren't there? Looks like it'll be a hammer and crowbar job. Brilliant, just brilliant. You're holding down first at the moment, so just keep doing what you're doing.
To the power stage for this event now, where additional points will be available.
Start 60, square left, good luck. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go 60, turn square left, 30, 4 right, 50, slight left, tightens 5, long, 40, 3 right, keep in, and 6 left, long tightens, 80, slight left of the jump, 30, caution, bump, and left of a crest, into 1 right, half long, around Bales, 80, crest, into 6 left, brake, and left of a crest, and 3 right, 50, slight left, tightens 4, half long, and crest, and slight left, 120, big jump, 110, 4 left of a crest, opens, 40, 6 right, half long, opens, into small crest, 130, 5 right short, 40, 2 left, 40, 3 right, 30, 1 right short of a crest, 40, 3 left short, keep in, 30, 4 right, and 4 left short, 80, 6 left, half long, slowing, 80, 1 right, half long, and 2 left, keep in, and 3 right. Open 6 over crest, 30, 5 left, 30, 6 right, tightens 5, and 3 left, and 6 right, 40, 5 left sharp, 80, long crest, 50, left of a jump, and 4 right, and 6 left, into small jump, 100, slight left, 170, slight right, into bump, keep right, and 6 left, slowing, and crest, into 3 left, 70, crest, into 5 right, 50, 4 left, keep in, 100, 3 right sharp, and 6 left, 40, crest, and 5 right, to left of a crest, 30, 1 left short of a crest, 40, 6 right, and 6 left, tightens of a crest, and 5 left of a bump, into 5 right, half long, tightens, over bridge, into 4 left of a crest, 70, 6 left, 6 right of the crest, and 5 right of the crest, and 5 left short, 30, 4 right, and left of a crest, 40, 6 right, and 6 left, into 4 right of a crest, opens long, into bump, into crest, into 5 right short, slowing, 30, turn square left, 70, 6 left, 50, 4 right short of a crest, 50, long crest, 40, 6 left, 70, 6 left of the crest, and 5 right short, 40, 4 right sharp, 70, 4 left, 80, 4 right, half long, tightens, 4 left short, 120, small crest, 30, right of the crest, 40, 3 right short, 40, 6 left, tightens 4, long, 120, 3 right, opens, 130, 6 left of the crest, long, into small jump, 40, jump, 30, slight left of the crest, and slight right, 80, 5 left, 100, finish, into 5 left to stop. Okay, that's a 4 minute, 53.9.
As this crew crosses the line, they'll have to hope they've done enough to secure what points they need. Let's see from the table if they've succeeded. A moment every team dreams of, but one that is a reality now for just these 3 crews as they step up to take a place on the winners.
Hello, hello. Just wanted to say... So, we're cruising...